In this video, I'll show you how to withdraw money from Binance to your bank account step by step. First, open the Binance app or website and log into your account. Make sure your identity verification, KYC, is completed, and that the bank account you want to use is in your own name, because Binance usually doesn't allow third-party withdrawals. Now, go to your wallet. On the app, tap Wallet at the bottom, then choose Funding or Fiat and Spot, depending on where your funds are. If your money is in crypto, you'll need to sell it to fiat first, like USD or EUR. Once you have fiat balance, tap Withdraw. Choose fiat, not crypto. Then select the currency you want to withdraw and pick your withdrawal method, such as bank transfer. Next, select or add your bank account details. Then enter the amount you want to withdraw. You'll see the fees and the amount you'll receive. Carefully review everything: the bank details, amount, and fees. If everything looks correct, tap Confirm. Binance may ask for a security verification using SMS, email, or authenticator. After that, your withdrawal request is submitted. Processing time can vary by country and bank, from a few minutes to a few business days. You can track the status in your transaction history under Withdrawals. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.